So, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Scratch tutorial. Very surprising. Sorry about the bit of lag here. So, today we're going to do data serialization and escaping. Where's this going on there? Sorry about that. Let me just do something real quick. Whoa. This is so glitchy. I'm sorry about all, all of this. I also, you might have noticed that I have also not using Scratch add-ons anymore. Why? Because it made Scratch very glitchy. Like very laggy. Right value. Let me click on it. So viewers, let me just put a save now. Oops. So this is data serialization and like escaping. And what escaping is, it's like this is a CSV system or comma separated values, and what escaping is, it basically will just ignore that thing. And we also have the backslash as something. So there are two important things we have here. It's the write value and the read value. I'm just going to show what we have here, show the code. So we have C for character. We have the save code, of course, that for your games or anything, the save code. We have the save index, and we have the save, and we have the value. Very glitchy, sorry about it again. So let's jump onto the right value. So we have to make a new block. It's run on screen refresh. So we have set save index to 1, repeat length of text, set C to the letter save index of text. If the delimiter or pipe and backslash contains C, then set save code to join save code backslash, set save code to join save code C, change save index by 1. I'll explain in a minute what it is, and then at last we have to put our delimiters to separate the values. Scroll. Now we have read value. So set value to the blank. Set C to the letter save index of save code. Change save index by 1. If pipe contains C, stop this script. If C equals to backslash, then set C to letter save index of save code. Change save index by 1, of course, and set save value to join value C. And that's really simple, and we have this. So that writes this. And we can ask what the save code, like for example, we can write a variable and then read value, set variable to value. So do you understand that? So what is the save index and why do we have to change it by 1? So when we change it by 1, that'll just basically change what letter it reads. So like first letter, then second letter, then third letter. Let me just show everything. Let me just change that position. Go, please go. I'm trying to do something. Save code C. Work. This is not working. Please help. Okay. So we have to go up. So we first set it. So then we can remove this ask what is the save code for now. So I'm clicking on it. Sorry about the lag. It's my recording program. It's taking on the processing power. Work. So hello. Well, that's weird. Hello. Save into text to 1. Read value. See that? So we can set save index to 1. Alright, so hello. Then we click it a few times. Viewers. See that? Why is it in forever? Okay, phew. Save now, please. We can put that back, please. So this will repeat the length of the text. As you can see, that's the text. Like this. So then it will set C to letter save in text to text if the pipe or delimiter contains C. So that's checking if the character is sorry about that. If the pipe or delimiter is C, I'm guessing. Set save code to join save code backslash. Oh, there's also this thing. If pipe contains C, stop this script. If pipe contains backslash. So what this code is for is it's to basically ignore it. So the backslash. So I'm going to use griffpatch as an example here. All the credits for this tutorial go to griffpatch. Okay, so up, please. No, we're never doing that. So we put fellow, then we put colon, run, please run, then what is it, backslash, and then pipe. So now we just set that. You can see it did this, our stuff, then work, plus please work, I'm counting on you. Okay, let me just erase that. So it's supposed to work. It's supposed to remove that backslash. Oh, right, because I didn't add another value. I'm dumb. Sorry about that. Scratchers. Okay, down, work, please. Set save index to 1. So now that's save index to 1. So hello. Come on, work. Hello, fellow. Huh? Oh, right, because I forgot to do that. You have to do that before you do it. So set save index to 1. So read value. Work, please. So hello. we're doing something good here. Hello, fellow scratchers. It works. It's supposed to remove that. I'm not sure why it's not doing that. Maybe I have it wrong, but still, you can use the backslash in whatever you need if you want to use it. So for me, well, I'll give you an example. First time you save now. Yeah, this is taking a lot out of my processor. Okay, finally it's saved. Let me just do that. Go back into my stuff. I add this thing to like my Simple Shooter Part 3 game. It's pretty cool. Oops, sorry about that. Let me just wait for this to load. So see inside. Okay, let's go down. This is too laggy. God. So there's a save code sprite. So as you can see, when green fill click, hide list, copy to clipboard. When the C key is pressed, so we have our set save code to blank. So right value score, right value username, right value X, right value Y, right value health, right value costume, right value time. Delete all of clipboard. Add save code to copy clipboard. So list to copy clipboard. So when B key pressed, ask what is the save code. So set save code to answer, set save index to 1. So read value, set score to value, read value, set username to value, read value, set X to value, and so on and so on. So now let me show this in action. So I should have something. A B. Oh, emoji. Okay, I'm restarting this. So I'll just do a 2 for now. So let me just shoot up until a point. Just go down, press C. Let me just copy that to clipboard. Control C. So now I start the game. Then I'll set it to 1. So I now press B. It'll ask what's the save code. You paste that in. Now it will bring you back. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? Woohoo! Now I can continue from where I left off, kind of. And that's it. Basically. So you can, and it's easily backpackable. Backpack load, please. So as you can see there, I have my sprite save code. I'm sorry if my camera is kind of blocking you, like where I am. Yeah, it's a problem with clip the recording app I'm using, which is Clipchamp. Very good. It's a very good recording. And that's it, actually. That's it. So, thanks to griffpatch for giving this amazing tutorial. I would have never been able to do this without him. And fun fact, everything I know about Scratch, I learned from tutorials, and it's mainly griffpatch. I didn't take any lessons except for in my school we had to do Scratch for some reason. But other than that, I learned mostly everything from tutorials and just trial and error. So, well, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Maybe I'll make more tutorials, maybe like how to kind of replicate my game. It's gonna be pretty hard since I have everything here. I also had the crosshair and like a true spaceship option. Oops, sorry about that. I accidentally hit my mic. It's right there. So yeah, there's this crosshair thing. Costumes. Let me just. Hello. I can't see anything. Oh, there you are. Select it for me, please. Oh, it was converted to bitmap. I get it. Okay, so well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video and all my other videos. By the way, please help me reach some monetization goals so I can, well, maybe start a YouTube merch shop. Maybe probably improve my setup. As you can see, I'm here in my basement. I wish I connected by USB camera, then you can see everything. I have a lamp right there, just it's giving the illumination. So, well, thanks for viewing. Please help me reach monetization goals again. And I hope you have a great time back there, wherever you're watching this video. Bye. I'm gonna save that again.